As you know, as my channel is for inspiring kids to read more books, I really suggest you to buy these books, and the people should have it in their bookshelves. Friends, welcome back to my channel. First, I want to thank all my subscribers for subscribing my channel, and if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. So here are some books for the beginners. They will definitely inspire them to read more books. So let me talk about these books today. Let's hop into the adventure. A set of 4 books, and it's for beginners, and they have super large print. So let me show you all of these books. First, let's start with my favorite, The Blue Jackal. Let me show you what's inside. If you want me to read, comment down below. Then we will start reading in our videos. They have super beautiful pictures and really large pictures. It covers the entire page. And they have really big words because it's for preschool readers, and they're not really good in reading because they just started. So they have big letters. So let me show you more. These books will definitely inspire the beginner readers to read more of the books. So let me show you more. They have so good pictures. I would like to read it all day. Would you like to read it all day? Answer in the comment box below. So let me show you more. Can you see? It's really good. And look how this deer is doing. I could copy it. Does that look like the deer over here? So let me show you more. Can you see? It comes with these pictures, and all of them are just wonderful. There are 16 pages in this book. So let me show you more of these wonderful, beautiful pages. They have a lot of color. Let me show you more. Look, can you see? They make this tiger like a real tiger with the teeth and claws. And up. Let me show you more. So this is the end page, and it also comes with moral. Let me tell you the moral of this story. Moral: do not pretend what you are not. And look, they have lots of series in this book. You can rate whichever you like. So buy any book that you like. Don't have to only buy the books that I'm telling you about. You can buy any book in your choice. So let me show you the second book, The Shepherd and the Wolf. Let me show you this. Same like the other book, it has big pages and beautiful pictures. And look, can you see? The book is just so interesting. I can't imagine people without books. Like the other book, this book is also very nice and colorful with big letters, and the page is completely filled. Same like the other book over there.
How many pages are there in this book?
Okay, the pages are 16, same like the other book.
Okay, can you show us the next book now?
Okay. Let me show you my second favorite, The Fox and the Stork. Like the other book, big pages and giant words. Stomp, stomp, words, stomp. Do you want me to tell you how many pages are there in this book? Let's check. 16. Are all the books 16? Let's find out. That's because we're going to our next book. These are the fox cubs and the lion. Let me show you more. So this is just the cover page. The cover page are also as beautiful as the pages. So let me show you more. These are very colorful pictures and big words like the other book. And there's 16 pages in this book. I just love these books. So these were the set of 4 books. As you know, as my channel is for inspiring kids to read more books, I really suggest you to buy these books, and the people should have it in their bookshelves. And remember to like and subscribe. Bye.